First, we install the label. And just put this tag in there. Then press this cover plate on. Make sure to press this thing tight. Then lock this handle tightly. Next is also the installation label. It comes underneath. And then to the top. Here, through this. This is a label sensor. This label should be placed in the label sensor. Pay attention if you wear it here. This label can't be pressed here. You have to go through these two rollers. It's the same if you put it under here. This label can't hold back this pass. Avoid this. Okay, if we get here, and here, also, from these three rollers. It's the last roller. Put it on under this. The same. Avoid this iron bar if you want this label. And finally, lock the label receiving mechanism here. Put two handles. The same should also be locked. So here's step 2. Just straighten this label in the manual screen here. Then click this traction point. Then click the single out label. Observe whether a label can be issued normally. Then we have completed the first step. And let's take this product as an example. Then test it. Then when we put the product just between these two directions of this product, about 1 millimeter or 2 away, make this product work. Just go through it like this. Turn on the lantern and start it to test. If you look at this product, this location of the label, if you go this way, this is the front and rear position. If you want to adjust the front and rear positions, you can adjust the sensor of this product. If you move forward a bit, this is to this label and it will go forward. If you put the position of the sensor in this product, if you transfer to the back, the label will be pasted back. Then let's adjust the sensor and try it. Move back a little bit. Look at this distance, it's obviously a little further back. Then if it is this, it is to the left. This is to the right. Then we can pass this rocker. You can adjust the front and rear positions. Test again. This position is changed. Now let's talk about that parameter setting. What about this out label delay? That's when our object. That is, when the labeling is sensed. How many seconds does it take to label? This is the parameter, the out label delay. Then the label is stopped and delayed. After the product is posted, how many seconds does it take for this label to stop? It affects the length of this up and down. The meaning of test filtration is, I pass this object through, sensing a period of time. That is, if there is still signal sensing behind, it will filter out the sensory signal of this section and label response. This is fixed. The fixed ones are usually set by us. It's 5 seconds, this one doesn't need to be moved. Then the speed of delivery. The speed of transmission is the speed of this conveyor belt. Then the speed of labeling is how fast we can get out of the labels. If we finish this bit here, it's okay to leave about 3-4 millimeters long. In this label sensor, suppose we're out of labels too long here. Just to adjust the position of this label sensor, move up and the label will fall back. If this label is adjusted down, this label will move forward a little bit.